Wozanindlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly, I like the fact that former President Motlanthe is saying here, when the NEC said to deliberate on these issues, the NEC of the ANC. So there's always been this narrative that Ubaba President Zuma fired Ubaba Mbeki or recalled Ubaba Mbeki, when in fact Ubaba Mbeki is the one who fired Ubaba Zuma. But there is this narrative that Ubaba Zuma had powers to single-handedly fire Ubaba or President Mbeki back then. And in the same breath, the very same people who are saying so, they tell us that the MK party does not have structures or leadership structures. Decisions are taken in Kandla. And the very same people, they come here and tell us that only the ANC, the EFF, and have those structures. Because they are nomad political parties or proper political parties, unlike the MK party. But during that time, or around 2008, the structures of the ANC were useless. That's what they are saying. Because over President Zuma could just take a decision alone and fire Ubaba President Mbeki. And it is a wrong narrative. Because I always say this, the ANC in a top structure yayo, okuyiyona ethatha inqumo, nokuyiyona ebekade ivimba Ubaba President uZuma ukuthi engezi izinto lezi ebefisa ukuzenza. Nangu yasho Ubaba uMntlanthe. But I know ukuthi even though President Mntlanthe is talking like this, he will come again and lie and say, nah, this one is lying. You know better. President Zuma is the one who fired President Mbeki, who recalled President Mbeki. So the very same Zuma that you are saying he had so much powers in 2008, he lost those powers in 2012 and allowed someone that he knows that he's gonna take a different direction in 2012. As far as the progress that was being made during his time as a president, Ubaba Zuma, he allowed ukuthi Ubaba Ramaphosa abe udeputy wakhe with all the powers that he possessed, knowing very well ukuthi President Ramaphosa will take a different direction. But you are saying with all the powers that he had, he still allowed him to be his deputy. You are saying it was Zuma's decision to fire Thabo Mbeki, and it was Zuma's decision to have President Ramaphosa as his deputy. And then it is only in 2018 that President Zuma lost those powers in February when he was recalled as well. Hypocrisy in this matter of faith. Hypocrisy in this matter. As I'm saying, the very same people who are saying Ubaba Zuma had powers in 2008 to fire President Mbeki lost those powers in 2018. And they are saying to us that in 2008, the ANC-NEC was useless. What Ubaba Mntlanthe is saying here is a lie. They were useless at the time. They were fake. Amangenu. Nina abantu be-propaganda. When you hate on a person, you come up with all sorts of stories so that it can fit your narrative. Yo, hayi bafethu sanibona sengeme